About a month or so ago, I showed a video, US Route 7 curvy lines from Brandon to Middlebury and back. They were gouging a part of the road in the middle to make the tread, so if you fall asleep, you hit the yellow lines, you get woke up. Same thing on the side of roads. And then all of a sudden now, it's October 4th, 2014, about 5:25 p.m. We're headed back from Middlebury to Brandon area, Rutland area, and right here through Salisbury, all the way from Middlebury, back down towards Brandon. They basically put a very thin layer of tar pavement over the roads. It's not a finish layer. Doesn't look totally smooth like a finish layer, but it's better. So what was the whole purpose of tearing it up, making the ridges in the center road, the swervy lines, holding up traffic, etc., etc., if they're just going to repave over it? It seems like a waste of money, resources, and a waste of our tax dollars at work. Check it out. Come up down to US Route 7 from Rutland to Middlebury. Decide for yourself.